Namaste and very good morning to everyone. I am Saisa Tushahide with the other Nursery friends with me all. We have this wonderful opportunity to present a special ceremony of Holi. So come, let's all celebrate this festival together. Let us begin our day by seeking the blessing of God, reciting the Gayatri Mantra, Powerful Anya. The play song by Elvia, Ilha, Alham, Isma and Ihab and the school entered by Leah. So come join your hands, close your eyes and let's begin. Draw your hand, close your eyes, take a deep breath. Buwasaha, tasaditu, worry, Vargo Devasati Mani, Diyonana Pachodayat. Buwasaha, tasaditu, worry, Vargo Devasati Mani, Diyonana Pachodayat. Buwasaha, tasaditu, worry, Vargo Devasati Mani, Diyonana Pachodayat. Get to heart beating, thank you white beating, Ajat choice, Appa, it the best, it the best, it the best. Get to heart beating, thank you white beating, Ajat choice, Appa, it the best. It is the your graduation. When you while waiting, I just joined apart. Ages is the best. Ages is the best. Ages is the best. Good morning, Rajesh ma'am. Good morning, coordinator. Good morning, teachers. Good morning, the young boys. Good morning to all my dear friends. Have a nice day. Now we can sit down. Thank you. Bye. Before we go ahead, this is Share the Thought of the Day by my friend Kyla. Good morning, everyone. The thought for the day is the strong person to say sorry and even stronger person to forgive as police the day to forgive and enjoy with everyone. The thought for the day also teaches the same thing and always say sorry for a mistake and always forgive someone who says sorry. A wonderful message shown in the video, but let's pledge not to wait till the source of earth and please safe Holi. Happy Holi from us. Today, I will thank all the people who helped us for making this assembly a success. Thank you, Church ma'am. Thank you, Pushpalata ma'am. Thank you, our secretary, the teacher. Thank you, my all nursery friends for lovely presentation. Thank you, parents, for helping us. Thank you, audience, for watching us. Namaste. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.